Hey, what's up? Today, let's talk about something every driver and tech lover should care about, the next generation of automotive safety. Cars aren't just getting faster or flashier, they're getting smarter. I mean, we're talking about vehicles that actually help keep you safe, not just from crashes, but sometimes before you even realize there's danger. Take AI-powered collision avoidance. These systems use sensors and cameras to scan your surroundings in real time. If they spot something risky, like a sudden stop in traffic or a cyclist in your blind spot, they alert you or even hit the brakes for you. That's not science fiction. It's already rolling out in new models, but it gets cooler. There's V2X communication. Basically, your car talks to other cars, traffic lights, even road signs. Imagine getting a heads up before you even see an accident up ahead, or knowing when a light's about to turn red. It's a network of vehicles working together to make roads safer. And let's not forget driver monitoring. Cameras inside the car check if you're distracted or drowsy. If you start to nod off, the car can nudge you awake or suggest a break. Yeah, your car's basically becoming your co-pilot. Now, I know some people worry about data privacy, and that's important. But all these advancements are about giving you peace of mind, making driving not just safer, but smarter. So the next time you're behind the wheel, remember, the future of automotive safety is already here, and it's only getting better. Drive safe, stay curious, and keep looking forward.